Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick skincare haul of some Skin to You products. So if you guys want to see what I picked up, then keep watching. Before I get into the haul, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about Skin to You. I've only seen it at Walmart, and I can't find them on Amazon, but I did see on the packaging that they do have a website. So I will leave a link for the website down below if you guys want to check it out, because I know Walmart isn't like widely available to people and the website might be. I'll do some research on that and get back to you guys. But on the Walmart website, everything is pretty much $5.88 to $12.88. So it is a really good drugstore price. I think they do have a lot of steps and everything is color coded, which I love. So there's 1, 2, and 3. That's how many steps there are. And there's different products for every step, obviously, that you can buy. Like there's multiple cleansers, and there was an exfoliator, which I didn't pick up, which I will in the future. I just have a lot of exfoliators right now. And there's multiple creams and serums and all that stuff. So I just bought what was at my Walmart, because if you guys have ever gone to a Walmart, you may know that things are always out of place and everything's always messy, unless it's just my Walmart. My Walmart's always a hot mess, especially the whole beauty department. Really like pinpointing the beauty or the skincare, section, because that just looks like a tornado ripped through it some days. So I picked up 3 products the other day that I wanted to share with you guys because they seemed really cool. All right, I'm going to start off with the step 1 products, which would be cleanse. So I got 2 of those because one is a multi-purpose product. So first I'm going to just start off with the normal cleanser, and that is the Ready for This jelly cleanser with rose water and witch hazel. This is good for all skin types. It's cleansing, it's hydrating, it's paraben free and cruelty free. Honestly, jelly cleanser just sold me, and that's why I bought it. But I'm really excited to try it because I'm going to need a cleanser soon. And let's see if it has a smell. I don't smell them in the store because I don't know. Oh, it has like a, okay, it's, you know those Terry chocolate oranges? They like look like oranges, and when you open it, like you peel it and it's like the slices. That is what this smells like. And those things are one of my favorites. I'm very curious with the witch hazel though, because witch hazel is kind of like a toner. So that should be interesting. I wonder if it's almost like a dual product. I thought they had a toner. I thought I saw one once, but I couldn't find it, and I've never tried a toner before. So like I said, I'm going to go on their website, and if they do have a toner, I'm going to order it so I can use like the whole system together, because I just want to try a toner. And you know, if it's a cheap toner, then why not? You know, like, yes, I could use witch hazel, but I like to like use a whole product line. So the next cleansing product is the Me, Myself, and Micellar Water Makeup Remover and Setting Spray. So when I saw makeup remover and setting spray, that's like, you know, weird, because setting spray is supposed to keep it on, but remover is supposed to take it off. So we can try this right now, because I have some swatches on my hands that are not coming off because it's 2 liquid lipsticks that I swatched from my ColourPop haul. And I'm just going to take this wipe here and we're going to spritz this. Nice mister. Very nice. And let's see. Oh, okay. It's a good makeup remover. All right. I mean, I'm assuming Mamacita, that's that purple, it's gonna stain because it is that dark color, but I mean, everything else is gone. So this is a good product. I really like it. Oh, I did not get a good bottle. Can we talk about how there's like all these scratch marks in it? What the heck? All right. So again, this is good for all skin types. It's hydrating and cleansing. I will test this out as a setting spray and see how I like it. But the makeup remover setting spray, like, that's just so weird to me. I'm definitely going to use this to try to remove all my makeup as well. I'll try it both ways. Again, when I do my review, I'll let you guys know on all these products. The third product that I got is the Sun Sealed Delivered Facial Moisturizer with sunscreen and with an SPF of 30. So step 3 is to moisturize, obviously. So they don't really have like a lot of moisturizers, but they had this one. This one just sounds really, really good. This has no harsh chemicals and offers a broad spectrum protection and is gentle for everyday use. All right, so I was gonna see if this had a scent, but there's a seal on it and I can't get it off, and I don't feel like getting up to look for something sharp. But very excited to try this as well. This is 4 ounces, but it feels like it'll last a long time because I feel like with moisturizers, like a little goes a long way. So definitely excited to test all these products out. And that is it for this little Skin to You haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried out this brand and what products were your favorite from it. There were definitely a lot to choose from. There was some serums, but I didn't get those just because I felt like my skin didn't really need that. I just got what I felt like I would really need and use. I will leave a link down below for their website if you guys want to check out their stuff. I'm not going to link for the Walmart just because Walmart doesn't have everything. I feel like the website will be more reliable. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.